Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily fix mirrored text picture without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. I have a mirrored text picture. So you can see it's a mirrored text picture. So what is the actual work we can know. So to fix such kind of issues in your respective Windows computer, what you need to do is, say if you're using a Windows 7 or older Windows operating system, then the first method is that just right click on the picture and select the open with. Right now I'm using a Windows 10, so I'll be getting different options like Pen 3D and Photos, right, which comes preloaded with the Windows 10 and a higher Windows operating system. But if you don't have the Windows 10 and if you're using a Windows 7 and the older Windows operating system, then you can select this option, open with pen. Just click on it. Now it will get open with pen, right? So on the left top corner you can see here an option written as rotate, right? Just click on it. Now under the options you can see a tons of rotate options, right? Now you can see here, since the word is in the horizontal flip, that is the horizontal mirror text pictures, then you can select these options. Just click on this flip horizontal if your picture is in the mirrored horizontal position. Then once you click on this, voila, now you can see what is written. So the actual picture you can see here is the mirrored text picture. Now just by clicking that options, you can get the real name or the real word of what it is representing. So this is the first step to fix such mirror text pictures without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So this first tutorial will work almost in every Windows computer, whether you're using a Windows 7 or Windows 10 or the older versions or the newer versions. And the rest methods, once again you can go and click on the image and click on open. And if you're using a Windows 10 or above, then you can choose the Pen 3D or the Photos also. So let me show you. So once you open with the Pen 3D, what you need to do is, you can see here in the upper section canvas, just click on it. Now after clicking on canvas, on the right side you can see here rotate and flip. So here is a horizontal flip or the flip horizontal, and this is the flip vertical. So right now we'll use a flip horizontal. Voila. Once you are done, you can just save it for your respective locations. And this is how you can fix this mirror image using the Pen 3D. And there is one more options. If you're using a Windows 10, just once again right click on the respective picture, click on open with, and you can choose a Photos. Now once it opens with the Photos application, you can see on the right top corner edit and create. Just click on it, and now you can see here edit option, right? Just click on it. Now you will see here options to rotate, right? And just near to it you can see a flip. So you can see, and below you can see a save a copy, or you can save to the original file also by clicking on the save. And if you want to create a copy of it, then you can just click on save as copy. So these are the ways how you can fix mirror text picture without using any third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.